This is Boo from Mama Boo's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm gonna show you how to make rich chocolate pudding. You know Mama Boo doesn't like to waste time. Let's just get right into the ingredients. For this recipe you will need milk, 1 egg, cocoa powder, sugar, butter, cornstarch, and vanilla. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off by making slurry. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk just to kind of make a paste. All right, just like so. Next, I'm gonna add milk into a saucepan. In goes sugar, cocoa powder, and cornstarch. We're gonna cook this mixture on a medium-high heat until it starts to boil. Now I'm gonna place 1 egg in a bowl. Then I'll slightly beat the egg with a whisk until egg whites and yolks are blended. I'll beat this until light yellow in color, just like so, guys. Back to our pudding, we're gonna keep on stirring it just like so, guys. And once it starts boiling, we're gonna turn off the heat. Next, we're gonna temper. I'm gonna put a little bit and whisk fast. We don't want this to curdle, guys. Now we're gonna put back the egg mixture into the pan. Mix it in. Then we're gonna take it back and cook it for 2 minutes. Okay, I think our pudding is ready. We've been stirring it for 2 minutes. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna stir in vanilla and butter. Okay. So guys, smells so good. Hey, our pudding is ready now. It's time to serve the pudding. You can have this warm or you refrigerate it to cool down, guys. We have to do like this, okay? There you have it, guys. Rich chocolate pudding. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Mama Boo's Kitchen. And please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Please share this video with your friends and your family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.